I slept beside the truth at night, but I didn't touch it. Your back was turned, the room was cold. I knew I'd lost it. There was a word I should have said before the silence grew. I waited far too long to speak. Now it's breaking you. I don't sing because I'm healed. I sing because I'm not. Hallelujah, not the holy kind. Hallelujah, after what I've done. Hallelujah, with my hands unclean. Hallelujah, for what we've been.
I watched you pack the smaller things like they hurt less. You left the light on in the hall. I never fixed that. I don't pretend I didn't know. I chose to look away.
Some truths don't scream, they wait until it's far too late. I don't deserve forgiveness,
but I still say the name.
Hallelujah, not because it's right. Hallelujah, in the dead of night. Hallelujah, when there's nothing left. Hallelujah, for the mess. Lord, it's just a promise I forgot to keep. If faith is only standing when you're weak, then let this word fall heavy. Let it tell the truth. I don't sing it for redemption, I sing it for you. Hallelujah,
I don't ask for peace. Hallelujah, I just need to speak. Hallelujah, before I'm done. Hallelujah, after the fall.
hallelujah, 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 hallelujah.